Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. So in today's art and craft class, we are going to learn how to make our own money banks at home. Yes, so these are the 3 money banks that we'll be making in today's video. So let us look at the items that we need to make our money banks. First, we need a few empty plastic containers. Yes, no matter what shape and size you have, in this video I am using a shampoo bottle, honey bottle and a ghee bottle. So whatever you are having at your home, you can use it. Next, we want a few color papers. Yes, so that we can cover our containers in them. Next, we want a few tissue papers. If you don't have tissue papers, children, you can go for using newspapers as well. Okay, so in the video I'll be using tissue papers for a certain thing. So if you don't have tissue papers, you can always go for replacing them with newspapers. And next, a pair of scissors. Yes, scissors are important while we are doing art and craft. Yes. And next, we want some paint. We want some paint so that we can make our money banks more colorful. And lastly, we need both glue and Fevikwik, children. Okay, we need these both because we are dealing with plastic containers here, right? So that is why we need Fevikwik. Fevikwik helps us to stick things to the plastic containers nicely. But while using Fevikwik, one must be careful and if possible take the help of an elder sister or younger or any other elder person while doing it. Okay, now let's get started. The first one is our rocket one, children. I have taken an orange color bottle and a blue color paper. I am drawing a circle. Yes, this circle is for making a cone. Now after drawing a circle, take a pair of scissors, cut it along the line. Now after cutting, fold the circle into 4 equal halves. Okay, 4 parts. Fold it twice. Yes. So we'll get 4 parts. Now again take scissors and cut along only one line as I am showing here. Okay, only one line. Yes. Now after cutting, see if you arrange it like this, it will become a sort of cone. Now let us take some glue and stick it together. Our cone is ready. See, now I am taking this Fevikwik, children, applying onto the bottle. Why am I using Fevikwik here is because it's plastic. Fevikwik will hold it quite nicely. Now again I am taking a white paper and drawing another circle, cutting it out. Actually one circle is enough. By mistake I took 2 circles. Okay. Now drawing a black outline for it so that it looks highlighted. Now pasting some glue onto it. Yes. Now again take the blue paper, cut 2 triangles. We need 2 triangles. Yes, see we have to paste it like this. Now if I apply this Fevikwik and paste it directly, see it will not hold nicely. It has fallen down. So I am folding the paper, applying the Fevikwik on the folded part and then pasting. You also do the same, children. But while using Fevikwik, be careful because it sticks to the skin easily. Now we have to make a hole, right, to drop in our money. So with the help of an adult person, okay, with an elderly person, you take the help of an adult person. Don't do this by yourself. With the help of fire and a knife, we can make a hole inside the bottle so that we can drop our money through that. See? Yes. Yes, it is done. Yes, I can easily drop in my notes or coins through this incision. And in this white part, you can write your name or you can paint it, you can write it with a sketch, whatever you want, children. It is simple, right? Our rocket is ready. Yes, our rocket money bank is ready. Now coming to the next one, the Mickey Mouse one, we need to take an empty container again. If I paint it directly, the print is visible. So that is why I am taking a few tissue papers, and some glue, and in this I'll pour some water. Only a little water, children. Yes, only a little water, and mix it with a brush nicely. The water and the glue quantity should be 1:2. 1 part glue, 1 part water and 2 parts glue. Now mix it thoroughly. Both the glue and water should mix, children, nicely. Yes. After mixing it, we have to apply it onto the empty container. Why are we applying? So that the tissue paper is sticked well to the bottle. After that, put 2 layers of tissue paper. I am applying 2 layers so that it will be a little thick. And again, upon the tissue paper, brush some water and glue mixture like this. Okay. You have to do this for the whole container, children. What is it? First, apply glue and water onto the container, then place tissue paper, and again for the tissue paper to stick nicely, you have to again apply some glue and water on top. See, place it nicely, children. After you place both gum, after you cover the whole container with tissue paper, you have to leave it for drying. It took me an hour for this to dry. Okay, keep the fan on and let it dry. After drying, we have to paint. Yes, what color is Mickey Mouse? Mickey Mouse wears red and black clothes. So I have made an partition. I have drawn a black line. So on the bottom, I am painting it in red color, and on the top I'll paint it with black. Okay, so I'm making Mickey Mouse here, so I'm using these two colors. If you want to make any other cartoon character, go with your choice of colors, children. Now red is done nicely. Going for the black part. And another point, children, while you are painting, it's good if you place any newspaper below, so that any paint spills down, your mother will not be angry with you. Okay, so if possible, place a newspaper below and paint. Yes, done. After covering it nicely, let it dry for a little while. Now I have taken the lid and placed a hole and painted it black. Now I have taken 2 cardboard circles. I'll use them as ears, children. See, I have drawn an L shape to this and I've cut those parts out. Now we have to paint both the sides black, front and back. Both we have to paint it in black color. Again we have to leave it for drying, children. Now till the time these ears dry, let us make some details for our Mickey Mouse. I am taking yellow paint and drawing making 2 little button like structures. Yes, 2 little circles, so that they look like the buttons of a Mickey Mouse. Yes, done, right? Yes. And after that, again I am taking those 2 ears. They have also dried out a little bit. See, important point is that, children, first put on the lid to the container and then place the ears. Okay. See, I made a hole already. We have seen for the rocket, right, how to make that hole. Yes. See, now I am applying the gum. Again I am using Fevikwik here. Okay, because it sticks nicely to the plastic. You have to look at the body and then place it. Again, children, yes, don't remember, do this only after you have closed the lid onto the container. Without closing, don't do this, or else the position of the ears will change. Now I am taking a white paint and again drawing a few details. Yes, so that it looks nice, right? Whole black was not looking nice, so I've decided that let us give it some detailing. That's it. Yes, if we are done with our Mickey Mouse. Now coming to a pineapple one, the last one, the pineapple money box. Now this was a honey bottle I had, and again I am repeating the same process for this honey bottle, that is applying the gum and water and then applying the tissue paper on it. Why? Because again children, if I paint directly it will look very light, and the tissue paper will give it a nice texture so that it looks a little bit like a real pineapple. Okay, again after applying the tissue paper you have to leave it for drying for an hour children. It takes some time, I know, but the result will be good, so have patience. Now after drying I am painting it all with yellow color. Again as I said, I am going for pineapple, so I am going with yellow color. Now for the head part I did not have any green colored paper, so I took a paper, painted it in green, and can you see I have made triangles on the paper and then I am cutting it out. If you observe a real pineapple, it will have a crown like structure, right? A green color crown, leaves in the shape of a crown. So for this I am taking this. Now we have to apply it onto the lid. It's better if you paint the paper green inside and out children. Okay, I forgot to paint inside, but then I had to paint it again. Now with the help of gum I am sticking it together. Yes, see the crown is ready. I painted it with green color. Now on to the body after the paint has dried. Okay, you have to do this after the paint has dried. I am making, with the help of a black marker, I am making this pattern so that it will look more beautiful. Yes children, it's a simple pattern in the shape of U's. Even you can do it. Pineapple is one of my favorite fruits, so I have chosen pineapple. You can choose any others. Now for the front one, which will be on display, I have decided to give this kind of design. With the help of a black marker, I have drawn eyes and mouth. Isn't it looking cute? Let's see, again inside also I have painted with green. So yes children, these are the 3 money banks that we have made today. The first one was rocket, which I have made from an empty shampoo bottle. The next was Mickey Mouse, which I have made from an empty ghee bottle, and the last one was my favorite pineapple, which I have made from an empty honey bottle. Again, as I say every week, it's not limited that you can make only these 3 type of money banks. You can make any other type that you want. Use your creativity and make many more. Okay, I hope you've understood and enjoyed today's class. And please visit our website www.aimstoday.in for other information regarding online classes, quizzes, live worksheets, DIY activities, English classes and coding. See you next week. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.